What's up YouTube? This is the Collecting Attorney back with another video, and today I have a blaster box of 2017 Gypsy Queen from Topps. 7 packs plus one extra pack, 6 cards in each pack, one guaranteed short printed base card. We'll flip the box around a little bit here and take a look. These are a nice sort of old style design. There are the odds. I will let you zoom in. It's not the clearest picture, but hopefully you'll get a chance to pause that and take a look. And let's crack into this and open it up. I've not opened too many Gypsy Queen packs this year. Did do a couple of rack packs, and I think maybe I did one blaster box early in the year. But otherwise I haven't done too much with this, but I do love this product, so I'm excited to open this up and see what we got. Lots of different short prints and parallels and the likes, so we'll see what we get. Let's see, first pack. Kevin Kiermaier, Brad Ziegler, Carlos Santana, Odubel Herrera, Mark Trumbo, and Jonathan Villar. One of the things to look for is if they're not wearing a hat. These guys all are, and also green-backed cards. So looking for those. And I think anything over 300 is a short print, but I don't see anything here. So keep going. Zach Davis, Hunter Dozier, rookie card. Carlos Carrasco. Oh, Fortune Teller. This one is Jose Altuve. Very nice. That's the card they put in place of the miniatures from prior years. Renador and David Price. Again, I forgot to check for hats and the backings. The backs are all set. Any high numbers? Nope. Let's keep going. Let's quick look at the backs here. Okay. Ian Desmond, Anthony Rizzo, Jeremy Hellickson, Jorge Alfaro, rookie card, Miguel Sano, and Josh Donaldson for Toronto. Asdrubal Cabrera, J.A. Happ, Justin Verlander. You see he's on the Detroit, with the Detroit colors on there. Obviously moved over to the Astros. Alex Dickerson. Oh, nice. This is a no nameplate rookie card of Ryan Healy. So you'll see down here there's no nameplate. So that is one of the varietals that appear in this set. That's a nice one. And Dexter Fowler. Jake Lamb. Yasmani Grandal. Reynaldo Lopez, rookie card. Evan Gaddis. Oh, nice. Noah Syndergaard. That's a nice card. And Ryan Zimmerman. Edwin Diaz. Hunter Pence. Gene Segura. Mike Piazza. Oh, and there we go. That's our short print right there. You see 304 of 320, so it's above 300. That's one of the short prints, so that's nice. Tim Anderson and Tom Murphy. 2 packs left. Nice. Mike Trout. It's a nice one. I do see a green card at the back there. I don't know what that is. Let's keep going. See? Eric Hosmer. Wade Davis. I'll take from the back. Mark Melancon. Taiwan Walker. Oh, and nice. Green Chris Bryant. Numbered 66 of 99. Very sweet. I've had some good luck getting Chris Bryant cards recently. You see in my Topps Gallery video, I got a nice numbered Chris Bryant, but this is even better. 69 of 99. Wonderful. Excited about that one. And one last. I'd like to get maybe a no black plate, but can't really complain with what I've got here so far. Oh, it does look like there's something else back here. Adam Lind, CJ Cron, Jim Johnson, and this is reproduction hand-drawn art of Manny Machado. That's a nice one. Ender Inciarte and Kenley Jansen. So overall, that was a pretty decent pack. We got the reproduction hand-drawn art, Jose Altuve fortune teller, Chris Bryant green parallel numbered to 99, and that's number 69 of 99. Mike Piazza, short print with the Dodgers uniform, and a no nameplate Ryan Healy for the Oakland A's. Well, thanks everyone. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, tell your friends about it, and we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks very much. Bye.